Ever wondered what your financial future looks like? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? The concept of a financial future is more than just a bank balance or a retirement plan. It's about security, freedom, and the ability to live the life you've always envisioned. Today, we're going to tap into the wisdom of the web, bringing you some of the most insightful financial advice gathered from tweets around the globe. Ready to change your financial future? Let's dive in. Twitter, the platform where everyone's an expert, but only a few truly make sense. Let's dive into the world of financial wisdom, distilled into 280 characters or less. First off, we have a nugget from a seasoned financial planner who tweets, "Never save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." A simple yet powerful reminder to prioritize our savings. Next, an investment guru shares, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." A testament to the importance of patience and long-term thinking in investments. From the realm of budgeting, an expert advises, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. This highlights the importance of proactive financial management. In the sphere of financial planning, a tweet reads, "The best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is now." A motivational nudge for those sitting on the fence about starting their investment journey. Yet another finance wizard tweets, "Remember, every dollar you spend is a dollar you could have invested." A gentle reminder to think twice before splurging. Finally, a tweet that sums it all up. Personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. It's not just about knowing what to do, but actually doing it. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, we'll break it down. Now, let's decipher what these financial gurus are really saying. These wizards of finance, they're not just tweeting to pass the time. Each one of these tweets is a golden nugget of financial wisdom. They're like breadcrumbs leading us to a more prosperous future. First off, we've got this advice about the importance of saving. It's not just about what you earn, but what you save that matters. So start stashing away those pennies, folks. Next up, we've got a word on investing. Don't fear the market's ups and downs, embrace them. The market is a roller coaster, and the brave ones who stay on the ride end up at the top. Then there's the advice on diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them out. It's about reducing risk while maximizing returns. Lastly, we have the advice to keep learning. Knowledge is power, and in this game, it's wealth too. And that, folks, is your roadmap to a brighter financial future.